Shaft keys and coupling. Transmission shaft keys and coupling. At the end of this lesson, the students should have the understanding of the following: transmission shaft and shaft material, design of solid shaft on the basis of its strength and torsional rigidity, design of hollow shaft on the basis of strength and torsional rigidity, ASME code for shaft design, classification of keys, design of square and flat key, design of Kennedy key and spline, describe muff and clamp coupling and their design procedure, describe rigid and flexible coupling and their design procedure, shaft, function of shaft, provide an axial rotation, transmit power, position, mount gear, pulley, bearing, etc. Shaft design issue: geometry, loading, stress and deflection. Shaft. A shaft is a rotating member, usually of circular cross section, used to transmit power or motion. And axle is a non-rotating member that carry no torque and is used to support rotating wheel, pulleys and the like. Spindle is a short rotating shaft. Spindle are used in all machine tools such as small drive shaft of lathe or the spindle of the drilling machine. In deciding on an approach to shaft sizing, it is necessary to realize that a stress analysis at a specific point on a shaft can be made using only the shaft geometry in the vicinity of that point. The deflection and slope analysis cannot be made until the geometry of the entire shaft has been defined. Shaft material: necessary strength in shaft to resist load stress affects the choice of material and their treatment. Shaft usually don't need to be surface hand unless they serve as the actual journal of a bearing surface. For low production, turning is a usual primary shaping process. High production may permit a volume conservative shaping method, hot or cold forming casting, and minimum material in the shaft can become a design goal. Design procedure of shaft: draw static free body diagram, draw bending moment diagram into two plane, draw torque diagram, establish the location of critical cross section, perform a stress analysis for sizing. Load: static load, radial, tangential, axial, dynamic or cyclic load, fully reversed, repeated, fluctuating. Stress: shear stress due to axial loading, sigma x equal to 4a by pi d square. Stress due to bending, sigma x equal to m by y by I, sigma max equal to 32 m by pi d cube. Stress due to torsional, tau xy equal to 16 t by pi d cube. Stress concentration: stress caused by a sudden change in form, fillet holes, grooves. Concentration ratio: K equal to highest value of stress on feature by nominal stress on minimum cross section sigma max equal to k into sigma d. Design of shaft are designed on the basis of strength and rigidity or both. First, on the basis of strength, shaft subjected to torque, shaft subjected to bending moment, shaft subjected to combination of torque and bending moment, shaft subjected to axial load in addition to combination of torque and bending moment. Shear stress tau equal to TR by J, which always less than equal to tau, where T equal to twisting moment, J equal to polar moment, and G equal to pi into d पे power 4 by 32. For hollow shaft, pi into d naught पे power 4 minus di पे power 4 by 32. R equal to distance from neutral axis to the outermost fiber equal to d2. Maximum bending stress developed in a shaft is given by sigma b equal to m by y by I. M equal to moment, y equal to distance from neutral axis to the outermost fiber, I equal to moment of inertia. Bending stress and torsional shear stress can be calculated using the above relation. Tau equal to TR by J, R equal to d by 2, J equal to pi d पे power 4 by 32. Bending moment sigma b equal to m by y by I, y equal to d by 2, I equal to pi into d पे power 4 by 64. Shaft subjected to axial load in addition to combination of torque and bending moment, sigma t tensile stress equal to P by A. P equal to axial load acting on a shaft, A equal to cross sectional area of the shaft. Design of shaft on the basis of rigidity, theta t equal to mt into L by jg, theta equal to 180 by pi, j equal to pi into d naught पे power 4 minus di पे power 4 by 32, और j equal to pi into d to the power 4 into 1 minus c पे power 4 by 32. Bending moment acting on any shaft is given by m equal to ei d2y by dx square. Y should be always less than equal to allowable value of deflection. Di by du equal to c, that is ratio of inner dia to the outer dia.